True strength often grows in silence. It's in the moments when the world is quiet, and all that remains is you and your mind. Inner peace is not found by avoiding struggle. It is forged in the fire of reflection, in the stillness after chaos, in the courage to look within and face the truths you've long ignored. Rebuilding your inner peace requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to untangle the knots of old pain. Every time you pause instead of reacting, every time you choose calm over impulse, you lay another brick in the foundation of your resilience. It is in these quiet victories that your spirit becomes unshakable. Healing does not mean erasing your past. It means understanding it without letting it control your present. Let the lessons guide you, not imprison you. Each breath you take with intention, each thought you nurture with care, strengthens the inner sanctuary that cannot be touched by external storms. Discipline here is gentle, not harsh. It whispers, guiding you to make choices that honor your growth rather than feeding old cycles. Inner peace is not a destination. It is the practice of showing up for yourself over and over again, even when life pulls you in 1,000 directions. Rebuilding inner peace also means learning to let go of what no longer serves you. Not people, not moments, not memories, but the weight you've carried too long. Peace grows in the spaces where you release judgment, where you stop arguing with your own story, where you choose understanding over resentment. You begin to see that control is an illusion, and that trying to force outcomes only steals your energy. Quiet power teaches that true calm comes from acceptance, not surrender, from clarity, not avoidance. When you honor your boundaries and protect your energy, you reclaim pieces of yourself that were scattered by fear, doubt, and old habits. Every deliberate step away from chaos is a step toward alignment, and alignment is the heartbeat of inner peace. Practice gentleness toward yourself, even when growth feels slow. Celebrate the progress that cannot be measured in the eyes of others, because this is your private victory, the kind that strengthens the soul quietly, steadily, and without fanfare. Each mindful choice builds momentum, reinforcing that peace is not a fleeting emotion, but a cultivated sanctuary within. As you continue this journey, remember that inner peace is both fragile and formidable. It can be disturbed by old patterns or external pressures, yet it grows stronger each time you return to it intentionally. Rebuilding your inner peace means practicing patience with yourself, even when the past tries to echo its chaos in your mind. It means choosing presence over distraction, reflection over reaction, and trust over doubt. Let your daily actions honor the calm you are cultivating. The way you speak to yourself, the way you respond to challenges, the way you nurture your spirit. No one else defines your peace. It is built in the quiet of your own choices. When anxiety rises or old fears resurface, let your breath anchor you. Let your thoughts align with your values. Let your actions reinforce the calm you seek. Over time, the sanctuary you build within becomes unshakable. Life will always bring noise, but you will have learned how to carry stillness wherever you go. This is the essence of quiet power: discipline, presence, and the unwavering commitment to nurture your inner world. Rebuilding inner peace is not a destination, but a lifelong practice. And every mindful decision is proof of your strength, clarity, and resilience.